Welcome back to the channel. We're going to a fish fry. Oh, we're already here. Everybody got their food. Everybody happy with what they got?
Yep.
So my husband's friend from work had a fish fry, which if you're Jamaican, then you know what that is. But if you're not, basically, obviously, it's fish cooked. But it's also oxtail, curry goat, pasta, what else? Jerk chicken, jerk pork, like all types of different foods. And you get them in this pan right here, these big pans. And yeah, you get whatever you want for a nice piece of change, but you get whatever you want. That's the whole point. And it looked really good, and I cannot wait to eat. And he also made some natural juices. So this one I got was June plum. My husband got soursop, so yeah, I never tasted it. I was gonna get it, but I was a little lenient because I never tasted it before. But I know the June plum I always buy when I'm in a Jamaican restaurant, so. But yeah, and they gave us these little fruit cups, which this is cute. So now we're about to head back home.
I'm getting my
bust
Popeyes.
down. Oh, we're going to get Royalty some Popeyes because everything there, it had a little bit of spice, the girl said, but I don't think it was going to be enough for Royalty to manage. So we're going to get her some food, and now we're going home. And I'm a little disappointed because I put on a really, really cute outfit to like hang out. So if you see me in this again, don't judge me, judge your mother. See y'all when we get home. Oh, we're at Popeyes. Husband went inside to go get this one, some Popeyes. Ow! Some Popeyes. Can't wait to eat, so. These are the pans I was telling y'all about. But why? Great pans feel heavy. Oh. I'm about to say. Dag, I ain't even take a fork. I ain't even take a fork. To even use a fork on it? Damn! I want to taste a little piece of jerk chicken.
But I taste this. I want to taste it. I want to taste that piece. Me too.
Right? Spicy.
Not spicy.
Get a little sip. Oh, shoot! Oh my god! I didn't sip it though.
I
Babe.
switched them.
Royalty Popeyes. My mother's not playing. Dag, bust down. Mine. So oxtail, fried rice, jerk chicken, festival, balmy fish, vegetable, mashed potato,
Stop taking my
pasta.
food.
Yeah.
Patty's taking my.
Live it up, live it up. Live it up, live it up.
This is good. Oh my god. The food was bussin'. The food was bussin'. And I need to know, y'all need to let me know in the comment section, what is a good eyeliner that does not run? I got the eyeliner I'm using is from NYX. I believe that's how it's pronounced. NYX. And I don't understand. It's always running. It's so nasty. It makes me think of like cheap eyeliner. I mean, it wasn't expensive, but you know. Yeah, so the food was good. Today was such a beautiful day outside in New York. It was like perfect date night, perfect girls' night, perfect everything. And the food that we had when we went uptown to the Bronx, like I said, was my husband's friend, co-worker, his fish fry. And the food was so good. Y'all, when it comes to food, I'm a big critic. If you want me to come to your restaurant and you want me to try out your food and you want me to review it, if you do not want me to tell you the truth, don't invite me. But if you want the honest truth and you believe and you're that confident, then let me know. Invite me. Because I'm going to tell the truth. And all I can say is that the food was good. I don't have no complaints. Normally, not that I have a complaint, but I always like have something to say. So the fact that I'm like speechless about it, I mean the food turned up. But yeah, so that was it. After that, I caught the itis. So I decided to take a little nap. And then me and my mom was watching something on Netflix. I decided to go and clean my bathroom. And quick off topic. Have y'all ever, am I the only person who, let me see. What are you staring at, babe? Am I the only person who buys a fragrance, or if you're gifted a fragrance and you don't really like it, to spray on yourself, you use it for the bathroom as an air freshener? Am I the only person who does that? Because somebody was gifted a fragrance. My mom was gifted a fragrance. And it was very childlike. So we gave it to, meaning the scent. The scent was like, matter of fact, let me go see. So I can show y'all. It smells good, but just not like to go outside and do all of that. So it's by Victoria's Secret Pink Body Mist. It's called Warm Cookie. And it has gingerbread, vanilla icing, gumdrops, plus essential oils. It smells like you're literally baking goods in the kitchen. Because as soon as my husband came in the bathroom, he was like, what's that smell? Because I actually put it inside my oil diffuser. You're supposed to put oil in there, but I put some water and I spray this in there. And you see it coming up? All of that smells like baked goods. So I just turned it into bathroom air freshener. So I wanted to know if you guys tend to do the same thing. Let me know in the comment section. Is that ghetto? Is that low-key ghetto? Or would you say that's improvising? I say it's improvising because I'm not going to get rid of it. And initially my mom had gave it to my daughter, but her skin is sensitive. So we were like, okay, well, we got to use it. Like, I wasn't going to get rid of it. It don't stink. It just smells like baked goods. I don't think I want to walk around smelling like food. Yeah, so the day was good. It was a beautiful day. I look so cute. And like I told y'all, you will see me in the outfit again. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And well, right now I am in Royalty's room about to clean out. Stay tuned for that. She's getting a bedroom makeover. Soon I have a life update video coming because I have to talk to y'all. I have to talk to y'all. That's just it. I just have to talk to y'all. And yeah, so stay tuned to the next video. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And till the next video.